Welcome back to today's unboxing of the Amazon Echo Dot 3rd generation, which retails for about $49.99. On the outside of the box, it says far-field voice control, which should be an improvement off the prior generation, Alexa voice command, Bluetooth connectivity, Wi-Fi connectivity, as well as audio line out. On the back of the box, it says you can add Alexa to any room, obviously as long as it's connected through your Wi-Fi internet connection, designed around your voice control music throughout your home, control your smart home, hands-free. And then on the side of the box, it says explore thousands of skills, including Amazon Music, Spotify, Pandora, NPR News. The list goes on, and you'll be able to customize exactly which skills you want to use once you get everything set up and ready to go. So now let's go into the unboxing phase of this video. Once we open up the box, right at the top, there is our Echo Dot 3rd generation. And I notice a difference right away in terms of the weight of this Echo Dot compared to the prior generation. It's also a larger footprint overall, and it has that premium feel of this cloth type material on the outside. And also at the top of the box, it's going to show us a setup guide as well as a list of different commands that we can try, especially if we're getting new to use Alexa voice command. And then we're going to have our power wall adapter, and it's a different power cord than what we had on the prior generation Echo Dot. And not only the increase in weight of this device is probably due to the better quality speaker, but also the higher quality of wall adapter and different type of power cord is also probably in relation to powering this significantly better speaker and experience with this. So even though it's going to be a little bit more difficult to replace this power cord if you lose it or if it breaks, again, it just feels more premium overall, a higher quality power cord to get that extra juice needed to this device that maybe a micro USB wouldn't be quite as capable of accomplishing, even though it is obviously a little bit easier to replace a micro USB cord. Again, I'm totally fine with them having this difference in cord if it means we're getting a much better speaker. So again, guys, it has this premium cloth feel around the outside, and it comes in different colors for that cloth if you don't want black. The buttons are the same setup here as the prior generation Echo Dot: volume up, volume down, mute microphone, as well as an action button. And then just in terms of what you're going to be using this device mostly for, at least in my experience, asking what the weather is, setting timers, setting alarms, asking it to set you reminders, maybe pick up the kids from soccer practice, or you need to go to dinner with your friend on Friday, just different things like that you can set it up for. It's really nice with that. Also just asking it random questions like, who is the 20th president of the United States? What's the population of New York City? Just any type of random question that you have, you can ask, and more often than not, it will come back with an accurate answer, and it's getting smarter all the time. Now, showing you the difference between the 2nd generation and 3rd generation, it has that one microphone in the middle as opposed to the 4 around the outside. But other than that, the button setup is the same, but obviously you can see the 3rd generation Echo Dot is quite a bit bigger, and it just has, again, a more premium feel with that cloth around the outside as opposed to the plastic on the prior generation. Also, the speaker is louder and just a better quality in general. So definitely spring for the 3rd generation. Even though it is slightly more, I think it's definitely worth it. So that's going to wrap up this video, guys. Thanks for stopping on in. Subscribe for more, and I hope to see you back here for future videos.